Hello everyone, I am Mala, a volunteer from AFRS. We will learn about forensic anthropology. Here are the contents that we gonna learn about. Introduction to forensic anthropology, osteology, role of forensic anthropology, methods and techniques, applications of forensic anthropology, ethical issues in forensic anthropology, advancement in forensic anthropology. Forensic anthropology. Forensic anthropology is the application of anatomical science of anthropology and its various fields like forensic archaeology and forensic taxonomy. We know that taxonomy is the study of decayed organism and it includes the process of fossilization. Forensic anthropologists can assist in identification of deceased individuals whose remains are decomposed, burned, and mutilated. Osteology. It is defined as the scientific study of bone, teeth, microbone, morphology, function, and disease of the bone. We can able to say the condition of the deceased one by understanding the bone skeleton. Role of forensic anthropologist in crime investigation. Forensic anthropologist helps to determine the following things. First one is to determine the age at death. It is based on the development of dental and skeletal tissue, including tooth formation and eruption. Second one is to determine racial affiliation. Here, race refers to the origin that they belongs, whether it is American, African, European, and so on. Third one is gender determination. Determination of gender done by analyzing skull, pelvis, ribs, cage, long bones, and cranium. Approximation of age can be done by growth of long bones. Fourth one is stature. Here, stature refers as height of the individual. The stature is measured from floor to the individual's vertex with aid of anthropometric rod. Various skeletal parts such as ulnar, radius, humerus, femur, tibia, etc. are positively correlated with the stature. Mostly reliable stature estimation can be obtained from undamaged long bones measure of limbs from living persons and cadavers. Fifth one is skeletal trauma. It is diagnosing the reason and manner of death. It helps to reconstruct the past events. The reconstruction is done carefully by the arrangement of bone fragments, fracture pattern, and wound characteristics. Seventh and the last point is the decision through skeletal or dental evidence. Skeletal evidence in forensic anthropology assists in identifying individual through analysis of bone characteristic, aiding in determining factors like gender, age, ancestry, and lifestyle. This evidence also helps to reconstruct circumstances of death, providing crucial insight for criminal investigation and historical search. Methods and techniques used: skeletal analysis, DNA, dental record, and facial reconstruction to establish the identity of the individual. Okay, let's go depth on this. First one, skeletal analysis. Here the role of forensic anthropologists investigate bone, like is that really the bone or something else? Does it belongs to human bone or animal bone? Does the bone belongs to ancient or modern time? We can able to get an idea about post-mortem, perimortem and pre-mortem. Like we can able to get an idea that is there is any injury, and by the process we can able to say that occur before the death, cause of the death, or after the death. DNA analysis. We can extract the DNA from bone, teeth and skeleton. By comparing with the profile, we can able to match the suspect line. Dental records. By analyzing the morphology, dimension of human teeth as well as the micro and molecular of dental components, they helps in identifying the person's age, gender, race, habit and occupation. They helps to narrow down the search of the individual. Facial reconstruction. The DNA which is extracted from the skull of the dead and diseased body by using computer techniques. Application of forensic anthropology. Recovering human remains, identifying unidentified human remains, interpreting trauma, estimating time since death. Ethical issues for forensic experts are: first one, providing false data. There is a possibility of getting false data which leads to cause in wrong direction. Second one, not conducting an investigation. If there are occur in a huge ratio, thus difficult to identify and create a profile to identify the individuals, so that it is difficult to conduct investigation on that time. Third one, altering data. There are a possibility of altering data willingly or accidentally. Fourth one, false testimony. Fifth one, intentionally ignoring available data. Fifth one, recanting prior positions. Seventh one, accepting assignments beyond one's competence. Eighth one, accepting improper attorney influence. The next one and the last one is advancement in forensic anthropology. First, imaging technology. Technologies like a computer tomography, linear slot X-ray technology, and other sophisticated imaging technology have improved the ability to document trauma and skeletal remains. Second one is DNA analysis. DNA extraction gives result to find the ancestry. Third one is isotope analysis. Isotope aid in the reconstruction, migration, geographical origin of an individual. GIS, Geographical Information System. It enhances the investigation and interpretation of forensic evidence. Fifth one, dental analysis. It improves the accuracy and reliability of forensic anthropological result. Sixth one, computer. It is used to enhance the relationship between soft tissue and hard tissue. Seventh one, 3D ID software. It provides an advanced capacity for cranial measurement and analysis. It has ability to estimate ancestry, gender, etc. It provides a quality of data, effectiveness and reliability. We hope that you have gained valuable insights into intersected world of analyzing human remains to uncover the story that they tell. Our channel is dedicated to bring a uniqueness, perspective and a deep dive into fascinating field. Stay curious, keep learning and remember the words Clyde's know. Bones makes good witness, they never lie and they never forgot. Thanks for watching.